Imagine juicy prawns coated in rich aromatic ghee and perfectly balanced spices. Join us as we show you how you can easily make this Mangalorean style dish for seafood lovers. Welcome to Ranna Roshmita and we are making prawn ghee roast. We will start by making a spice mix for our gravy base. For this, in a pan, take some Kashmiri chili, whole coriander seeds, a bit of cumin, fennel seeds, whole black peppers, and a small amount of methi seeds. Dry roast all these spices over low to medium heat until they become fragrant and well toasted. Then remove from heat to a bowl and add some cloves of garlic, a bit of jaggery to balance the flavors, a few cashews to remove the bitterness of the spices, and some tamarind paste. Add some water to them and blend to a smooth paste. This spice blend is what gives the prawn ghee roast its signature flavor. Next, we will marinate our star ingredients, the prawns. For this, we have taken deveined prawns with their heads which are rich in flavor and will impart a strong taste to the gravy. Marinate them with some salt, turmeric powder, and some lemon juice. Coat the prawns with the marinade and rest until you fry them. Then, in a pan, heat some ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add in your marinated prawns. Now, over high heat, fry the prawns for 2 minutes so they are soft and juicy. The prawns cook very quickly, so avoid overcooking. Once they are done, remove them and keep them aside for later. Finally, we'll make the flavorful gravy. For this, heat some more ghee in the same pan we fried our prawns. Once the ghee is hot, add in the gravy base we had made earlier. Rinse your blender with some more water and add in the remaining spice mix. Do not waste any of these delicious spices. Now, over medium heat, constantly stir and cook off the water. This took us around 5 minutes of cooking. As the water evaporates, it will cook off the raw flavor of the spices and give the gravy its signature flavor. Once the gravy is ready, it will release its fat like this. Now add some salt to taste. Remember, we already added some during the marination of our prawns, so adjust accordingly. Add the fried prawns and a bunch of curry leaves. We are adding the curry leaves at this stage of cooking as we want a very mild flavor. Coat the prawns with the gravy, take off the heat and squeeze in some lemon juice. And there you have it, prawn ghee roast, a dish that's bursting with flavors and perfect for any occasion. Serve it with some hot steamed rice, soft chapatis or even as a starter on its own. If you liked our recipe, please give this video a like and share. And until next time, happy cooking!